Peach 55, you're cleared to Alpha, Papa, Alpha Airport via Yotes, fixed departure. JARPA transition is filed. Maintain 5,000, expect flight level 410, 3 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 120.7, squawk 1504.
Glenn, good morning. Skylane 179 is Victor Bravo. Ross Radio taxi with Kilo.
Skylane 179 is Victor Bravo, Scottsdale ground, runway 21, taxi the Alpha.
21 the Alpha, 179 is Victor Bravo.
Peach 55, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
21, quick takeoff.
Cessna 180, base turn approved, and continue for runway 21. Cirrus 10 Romeo traffic, 1 o'clock, and there's one at 2.5 miles, one at about 3 miles, and one at about 3.5 miles. They're all northbound, altitudes 2,600, 3,200, and 2,600 indicated. Bonanza 2 Yankee caution wake terminus departing citation, runway 21, clear for takeoff, state direction departure. Time star 562, Sierra Alpha, Scottsdale Tower, and a right downwind, runway 21. Peach 55 in that right hand turn, contact next departure.
Departure, Peach 55.
Jet 676, Scottsdale, runway 21, clear to land, traffic departing.
Clear land, 21, expect Jet 676.
Mooney 33 extra Scott, sir. Making a left turn into right base for runway. It says 33 Mooney. Make right traffic runway 21 ident. Mooney 33 extra ident received. Make right traffic runway 21.
Exit Jet 676 with you on the ground.
You get a contact ground 1.6.
Okay.
Exit Jet 676, Roger. You can proceed as requested.
Taxi the same fare as Jet 676.
Foothills 106, Scottsdale, clear to the Romeo Sierra Whiskey Airport via the Catman 6 departure, phase transition, as filed. Maintain 5,000, expect file level 410, 3 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 120.7, squawk 1523. Foothills 106, runway 21, clear for takeoff. Comanche 51 Papa, caution responding citation, runway 21, clear lane.
51 Papa, clear to land, citation rolling to site.
So the 34 Sierra Scott Sierra track alert off your right side, about half mile southbound on inbound Skylane, and altitude indicates 3,500. 34 Sierra, thanks for all that traffic, we number 4 to the runway.
Foothills 106, contact Phoenix departure.
Along Foothills 106.
Flex 587, clear to the Uniform Golf November Airport. The Yield 6 departure, JARPA transition, then as filed. Maintain 5,000, expect file level 450, 3 minutes after departure. Flight frequency is 120.7, squawk 1614.
Flagship 587, runway 21, clear for takeoff.
Scottsdale Tower, command 351 Papa with information.
G351 Papa, Scottsdale Tower, and say your request.
Coming in for overnight, and we'll be parking at 6.
G351 Papa, enter midfield, right downwind, runway 21.
Midfield, right downwind for runway 21, 51 Papa.
Grant 51 Papa, make a left 360.
Left 360, 51 Papa.
approaching 502 Romeo Papa Scottsdale, no delay on departure, runway 21 clear for takeoff.
Let's check the departure.
6587, contact me as departure, good day.
Good day.
X-ray Bravo Echo Juliet Sierra, runway 21, clear to land number 2, following citation left base.
Okay, looking for the traffic and we to land over 21 and clear to 0.
Aviator 16, Scottsdale Tower, make correct traffic runway 21, report to power station. Cessna 497, runway 21, line up and wait, traffic Cessna, mile final. X-ray Bravo Echo Juliet Sierra, stay parking. X-ray Bravo Echo Juliet Sierra, turn right, Alpha 10 or Alpha 9 and contact ground point 6.
Alpha 9.
0715 Alpha Hotel, Scottsdale Tower, hold short, runway 21.
November 484 Charlie Juliet Scottsdale Sands, you're cleared to Hotel Echo Foxtrot Airport via Foothill 6 departure. Maxo transition as filed. Maintain 5,000. Expect flight level 450. 3 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 120.7. Squawk 1632.
Citation 4 Charlie Juliet, runway 21, clear for takeoff. So the 497, caution from citation, runway 21, clear to land 1180 F4. Comanche 51 Papa, your base is approved and runway 21, continue.
51 Papa, current base for runway 21.
Skyline 908 Mike, traffic 11 o'clock in about 2 miles, first to be southwestbound 3,500, tap unknown. Citation 4 Charlie Juliet on the right turn, departure, have a good one.
Over departure for Charlie, have a good day.
Flash at 117 Victor Kilo, Scottsdale, clear to the Sierra Papa Foxtrot Airport via the Yacht 6 departure, Jerpa transition, then as filed. Maintain 5,000, expect flight level 450, 3 minutes after. Departure frequency is 120.7, squawk 1644.
7 Victor, correction, Plus Jet, 7 Victor Kilo, runway 21, clear for takeoff. Cessna 34 Sierra, caution by terminus departing Plus Jet, runway 21, clear to land. Number 180, make a left 360, re-enter the midfield, left, right downwind.
Left 360,
Mooney 33 X-ray, runway 21, clear to land, number 2, traffic short final. Number 56 Hotel Golf Scottsdale Tower, hold short, runway 21. Number 36 Hotel Echo Affirmative, hold short, runway 21, sorry. Check 7 Victor Kilo, traffic heading to your right 2 miles westbound, altitude 3,000. Use caution, frequency change approved. Good day.
Okay, departure, good day.